Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video we'll try to resolve one particular error, that is value error. Node array from the Pickle has incompatible Dtype. So I'm trying to execute that particular project, ocean safety prediction, and got that error. So we are trying to resolve that particular error. We have to download two libraries with the version like pip. First we have to check that Python is installed or not in that system. Click on the Windows key and then write edit the system in one variable. Then click on the environment variable, double click on the path. So see, Python 3.8 is already downloaded and installed in that laptop. So just copy that location of 3.8 and then click on OK and close that. Now paste the location of 3.8, then enter. See, 3.8 Python is already installed in that laptop and script folder location is already added in the system environment variable. So just go back. Now we have to install the libraries. We have to write pip install Scikit-learn is equal to 1.0.2. Then hit enter. Now the requirement already satisfied. Then you have to download other library. Pip install joblib is equal to 1.1.0. We have to downgrade the Python like around the Python 3.10 or something, 3.9 or 3.8. Okay, to resolve the error. So that will be the error, value error, node array from the pickle has incompatible Dtype. And we have to download those libraries. Joblib is equal to 1.1.0 and scikit-learn 1.0.2. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you are facing any error, then you can contact us on WhatsApp or just let me know in the comment section. We are providing projects in multiple domains: Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network. And this list we have prepared for the engineers. We are providing projects in multiple domains with the project's title and domain. If you click on the any of the project title, then it will give the complete description about project with the YouTube video. You can check out the YouTube video as well. So just click on the play button. It will play the video with the complete project working. Those are the software and hardware requirement. If you want that particular list, then just let me know in the comment section or you can contact us on WhatsApp as well. So thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.